everybody, welcome back to my channel. In case you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. On today's clip, I'm going to share with you a quick tutorial on what I do once I take down my braids. As you can see, my hair is dirty, full of gangs. I had braids for like 8 weeks, and usually you can break your hair off easily if you just go ahead and start combing. So here's everything you'll need: tea tree oil, pure glycerin, pure vegetable glycerin, aloe vera juice, and water. So you're going to need a bottle, a funnel, and some chopsticks. Yes, a bowl, of course, to add all the mixture. So first of all, I'm going to add half a cup of aloe vera juice. Followed by 2 tablespoons of pure glycerin oil, one cup of water, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Okay, and some chopsticks. So I'm going to mix all that together. Then I am going to pour this mixture in my bottle, in my spray bottle. So this is why you need a funnel, yeah. So this mixture is going to be great because it's going to help with detangling the hair, yeah, because I feel if you just detangle it directly using a comb, you're going to lose lots of hair. So that's why I prefer using this. So, and this is how we do it. You spray a little bit on the roots of the hair, around that part where there is gunk. So this will just loosen the hair strands. Yeah, so you want to be very gentle. Make sure that part is perfectly moisturized with this mixture, and then you just want to start detangling using your fingers. Yeah, so yeah, and that's it. So that's the first part. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the second part. So once again, you'll do the same. Just be very gentle. If you feel like there is no enough of the mixture in there, just go back again and then start finger detangling like that. And to the next part, and I'm going to do this all over my hair. Yeah, for the front part, I'm even most careful, because otherwise you end up losing so much hair. So at this point, I thought, let me try just, spraying the mixture on a chunk of hair, and then working on each strand at a time. And there you go. It worked pretty well, and it went faster than just doing it one by one. So as you can see, I'm just finger combing. And once I'm done, this is the first part. Yeah, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my head. Yeah. So as of now, I'm done with all the parts, and look at that dirt. Oh my gosh, that's so dirty. So now what I'm doing is I am parting the hair into 4 parts. And I'm doing this because I want to go ahead and pre-poo my hair using coconut oil. Okay. So this the pre-poo thingy, I don't do it like all the time, but I feel like it's always really nice to do it once you've had your braids for so long like I did. It's really helpful to the hair. Yeah, so the hair still has the mixture we put, you know, to separate the roots. So this is really amazing to just add that oil in there. So once I'm done with the first part, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it up and go to the next one. So, and again, same process. Yeah, just add the oil there, tie up the hair, and go to the next one until you are done. I parted my hair into 4 sections because I feel it's long enough, you know. Yeah. So once I'm done, the last drops, I'm definitely going to add them in there. And I'm using this aluminum cup to just sit the hair for about 30 minutes before I shampoo it. So 30 minutes later, my hair is shampooed. Yeah, and next step is I am going to apply some conditioner to my hair, preparing it for deep conditioning. Yeah, so I'm using a hair mask for this, and this time I'm trying to part my hair into 2 sections, but then I thought, you know what, let's just do 4 sections, because that way I'll be sure that the product is getting to my hair entirely. Yeah, so carefully apply the hair mask on your hair, carefully, generously as well, okay? Because the hair has really been on braids for 8 weeks. I feel like that's the longest I've ever had my braids on. So yeah, it definitely needed some tender love and care. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going in there with a wide tooth comb and just making sure that the conditioner, or rather the hair mask, is fully coated in all of my strands. So I'll do the same onto the next part. Yeah, and the process is the same. So lastly, I'm going to wear my aluminium cup once again and sit it for 30 minutes. Yep. Now my hair is clean, super clean. You can see the scalp. Yeah, and feels so fresh. Oh my god. Next thing, I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner. Yeah. Apply this all over your hair. Leave-in conditioner is really important. Yeah, because it's definitely going to prevent your hair from breakage. It's going to give your hair some moisture. So next I'm going to apply some moisturizer. This is a really great moisturizer. I did a review some years back and I still have it. Yes, so this one is really amazing. Yeah, I'm going to apply this all over my hair. And yeah, make sure you really get to the inside parts of your hair as well, not just the front and the back. Because you want your hair to stay moisturized, right? So yeah, not just some parts, but all parts of your hair. Once that's done, I'm going to take this amazing detangling brush and I'm going to just start detangling my hair. So by the way, I already detangled the hair, as you saw, while applying the hair mask. So this is just yeah, another way of detangling it. And this brush is amazing, guys. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, do so. You're gonna love it. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure that I detangle each part, you know, individually. Again, I've separated my hair into 4 parts to make it easy when detangling. Once that's done, my hair is fully detangled. It's super soft, it's super moisturized, and to lock in the moisture, I am going to use some pure olive oil. Yeah, and I'm just going to apply this all over my hair to make sure the moisture stays intact. Lastly, we are going to tie this hair up. And that's it, my dears. The hair is super clean, super moisturized, and ready to be rocked again. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope this clip was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe in case you haven't, and I definitely can't wait to catch you all in 2021. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and yeah, love you guys. Bye bye.